Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, and I am here with a Dollar Tree haul. I've got a little bit of tiny extra from Walmart and one Amazon, which you can see right here. I had picked this up from Amazon. I have been trying to figure out a rosette die that I could purchase that would make one whole rosette. So this is what I've decided to go by because I had a couple of them that I was looking at, and I did YouTube videos on rosettes, and this seemed to be what, I guess you would say just what kind of drew me. So it's a long die. So it should be able to make, and there's 3 of them in a pack. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but if you search Amazon, it's easy to find. I searched rosette metal dies, I think, and this one came up. And this is Tim Holtz by Sizzix Thinlits. So I hauled that, and I went and looked at the Halloween clearance. My store was out and done. I had to go to Walmart. And so I had picked up deodorant, I'd picked up fabric sheets and dish detergent. You know, all the stuff that you kind of just need, but I've already gotten into it. And then I picked up these Chic Intuitions. I've got the razor, and 9 times out of 10, I'll just rebuy the razor because it comes with, I think the razor itself is like $10. And it comes with the blade that's on it and then an extra blade. But this one ended up being, it's got 3 of them, and it was like 11 something, so basically $12. But I use nothing but this now. Since I found this, oh my gosh, way back when on my couponing days, where I was one of those couponing fanatics, which I need to get back into. I had fallen in love because this was a new product, and that was it for me. I've been sold ever since, so I keep going back to those. Now, the Halloween clearance section, mine had crap. Well, I mean, I can't say crap. They had a lot of home decor stuff, but crafting, this was all they had left. I did pick up another bag of these spider confetti, but I don't even understand why they call it spider confetti, but, you know, it's the little plastic spiders. So, I did that, and then I got the bling sheets of the clear purple and green. They had 2 packs. I got 2 packs. And then they had the Halloween foil stickers, and I thought they were cute. I don't remember seeing these before, but they were 98 cents, and it was 50% off. So, you're looking at, what, 48 cents, something like that. So, I grabbed 2 packs of those, and I'll use them for next year. Now, my Dollar Tree. Let's start with not the funnest stuff, and then we'll lead up into the fun, crafty stuff. I got a little bottle of Clorox. I use this. I like to keep it in my bathroom, because I like to take an old toothbrush and clean around the sink and stuff, but I also like to do it to clean my nails. Even though you can't usually tell because my nails have been so yellow lately, I haven't cleaned them because I needed that bleach. And then this is a repurchase. I always buy these because I absolutely love them. I keep one in my personal bathroom, one at the kitchen sink, and then always one in my daughter's bathroom. So I got that. And then all my, I don't know if I've told y'all, I deal with migraines really, really bad. And I had a clay pack that you could freeze or put in the microwave. It's rare that I do the microwave thing because I have a heating pad for my back. And, but the clay had started popping out of the side, so I had to get rid of that, that bag. And so I saw this, and I was like, man, I've been needing it, especially with my sinuses lately. I need something to be like really cold and cool to stick across my face. And so I thought, yeah, that's perfect because it's right around my eyes where I have issues. Especially with sinus lately. And then now that we're into our new home, we have nothing, no carpet anywhere throughout. I need to get some rugs, but that's going to take some time. Um, Rugs are not cheap by any means. But our tables, if you move them or scoot them, they are scratching the floor. As much as I love hardwood floors, they are way too easy to damage. And so I saw these and I picked these up to put on like our end table legs and feet to keep from destroying our hardwoods. Let's see what else. Oh, the Pure Ice. This was a double pack, which I thought was pretty cool. It has the cuticle oil and then the base coat. And I definitely need some cuticle oil. I stay so dry, and I'm constantly putting lotion on my hands, and still you can even tell. And then also at the same time, especially for my toes as well. And then you've got the bottom coat. And I promise one day soon, I'm going to be doing my nails. And then I got the top coat Rapid Dry by LA Colors. So I'm hoping this is good. Usually I do the, what is it? Sally Henson Rapid Dry. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, now I'm going to try to move faster. Silicone facial. What I got this for is actually because I don't have the little hot glue fingertips, but I saw somebody haul this so that they could actually use this when they're doing hot glue. So instead of touching it with your fingers, which it helps me to have nails, but sometimes I can't use that. So I needed something to move things around. So I thought this might work with just using it to kind of, dig around for the hot glue and put pressure down on. Now, I got these pencils, and I love gingerbread men, and I love candies and all that kind of stuff. There's so much about Christmas decoration that I love gingerbread men, I love Grinch, I love peppermints, I love Santa, I love the red truck, I love snowmen. Yes, those are my main things. But I saw these pencils and I was like, well, I got those because I just love the look of those. Actually, let me turn them over. I love the look of them. I love the red and white stripes, the peppermints, the candy canes, and the gold. I love the green, the gingerbread man, and the snowflake. But I don't know if y'all could see. I am a red truck fanatic. And these had the red truck pencils. So I had to get them. And then, let's see. Oh, I saw these. I haven't been paying close attention to a lot of hauls lately. But I have not saw anybody haul these. These are clothespins that have the little Christmas tree felt on them. And I figured they'd be good to clip on just different things and variations. And then I was also looking, see if did I get more than one? No, this ribbon. I saw Elena for her crafts, I think it was, do a Dollar Tree haul video, and she grabbed it too, and I thought, yeah, we kind of got the same thoughts, because I love the whole gingham and the snowflake and the black and red and white. Love it. I've got more ribbon, but I've got so much Christmas ribbon. I'm trying to be careful on what I do buy. Now, these I actually bought for a friend, and she knows who she is. That's for Julie C. She has been looking for these tree toppers. She don't have a Dollar Tree. So I picked those up for Miss Sweet Zuri. And her kids, excuse me, her kids have got trees, and she needed the tree toppers. So I found them. I also got these. I love these reindeer ornaments because I figure Yeah, everybody picks up the snowflakes or whatever, but I thought these would be great for so many crafting projects. I got one for me, which is the red, and then I got one for a friend. So I picked that up, and I also picked up the faux snow. Now, I've picked up 2 packs. I definitely picked one up for a friend, because I believe she's been looking for it again, Zilly C. If this is not the right one, sweetheart, let me know, but I think it is. And then I got a second pack, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. It's just pretty, so I'm trying to decide, am I going to send it off, or if I'm going to keep that one. But I did get 2 packs of those. And then these, I loved the whole glitter foam shapes of the stockings. Now, I will say this. I wish they were double-sided, because for some reason, I have issues. I don't know what it is about me. But when I see this, I automatically want the stocking to face to the left. Is that a thing? I mean, is that just me being weird? Or is that something that a lot of people do? For it to face right, it just... I don't know. It just seems odd to me. They're super cute. And, of course, I got me a pack. And then I got a pack for a friend as well. So, I thought I'd share that. Now, this I actually got because I've been wanting to use these. And I've been looking for them. And this is the only size I've been able to see. And I've only found one. There's no more. Not even of this size. I keep looking. And as I've told y'all, I've got like 4 Dollar Trees in my 30-minute radius. Actually, I think it's about a 25 minute radius. And this is the only one I've been able to find. But I find that keep seeing people haul it. And there's like 3 different sizes, I think. But it seems to be that these are great for when you want to use the stain or the ink and distress things, that people use this for the inks and stuff. So I thought I'd give it a try. It's the only one I've been able to find. If I could find more sizes and variations, or even just a few of those so that I could have them for different colors. Also got some more paper shred. Nothing fun or crazy about that. So I got pink, purple, and white. And then I got some envelopes. Again, nothing crazy or fun about that. And then these are the hair donuts. My daughter Lily is in JROTC, and every Wednesday she has to wear her uniform. And when she's in the uniform, she has to wear her hair in a bun because it's longer hair. So these make Mom's job so much easier to put on. Oh my Lord, I don't know what I'd do without them things, to be honest with you. I know I'm running at the mouth, and this is going to be a long video, even though I don't have a ton of stuff. I mean, well, I got a little bit, but this was actually a couple of different shops. It wasn't just one visit. I kind of just, excuse me, I kind of went and picked up here and there as I needed, or I'd hit different stores. Now, here's my craze. Yes, I know a lot of people haul it. I know a lot of people love it. But I have been looking and searching for the red truck ribbon. I went to my first 3 stores and could not find it. And I finally found it at the 4th one. And all they had was 2 of the red truck ribbon. Like I said, I have got, and these were the only 3 Christmas ribbons I got. Because I have nothing like this with the black and the snowflakes. But I needed, I don't know why, I just needed this red truck in my life. In ribbon form. I just need it everywhere. Because like I told you, if I could get my hands on and afford to be able to own a red truck, I'd do it quick like. So this is my red truck section. And I was able to get the red truck cup. I stinking love it. It is so cute. It's got the snowman. It's got the red truck with the presents in the back. It's got the front. Oh my gosh, I love it. I just do. And I'm going to use this for my coffee in the mornings. Because it's gotten to where it's so cold. Now, I did try to find the plaid and the buffalo check, the mitten, the towels, and the pot holders. I have not been able to find that. I tried the snowman and I tried the Santa Claus. And I've only been able to find like either a towel or maybe a pot holder. I've not been able to find any of, the whole collection. So I'm going to find that, and I'm going to find that for a friend. But I got this one for me. And even though I'm not the biggest fan of this type of towel, I'm going to have it on my stove. It's too cute not to. Dashing through the snow in this freaking cute truck. I'm sorry. Maybe you think the truck is overdone and you're tired of seeing it. Well, if you're tired of seeing it, don't look. Because I am not. I love it. And then I got the 2 pot holders. I mean, come on. 2 pot holders for $1. That's good. It's a good deal. And then I got the mitten as well. So I got the whole kitchen set. And I'm going to get more if I can find it. Anyway, y'all, I'm sorry. I know this has taken so long, and I probably should have done a different kind of haul, but at least cut it in 2, maybe. Maybe I can edit this one enough. Who knows? But anyway, thank you for watching. Please do me a favor if you enjoyed this. Please do me a favor and like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that little bell to make sure you know when I upload the next video. And as always, I wish you the absolute best.